We are out here at Farley's today and we're doing a Titan fuel tanks install on our Chevy Duramax. It's what we use to pull our race trailer, so pulling that all around everywhere. Extra large fuel tank is a must on the thing. We've had an auxiliary fuel tank in the back for a while, but we're trying to get some bed space back. So we're putting one of their XXL fuel tanks that replaces the stock one. It goes underneath the truck. That's what we're installing today on my vehicle. Got finished up with my 62-gallon replacement tank in our truck, so really expensive to fill it up, but excited how far we can get with that. We're going to start on installing Tim's transfer tank. He's got an in-bed transfer tank that he's going to use to carry around fuel. He can pump it out as he needs it, so we're going to start on that install right now.